Today I'm going to show you how to do the c4b and c4f stitch. It is a cable stitch where we use 4 stitches on the left hand needle to make the cable. So let me show you how we do it. You will need a cable needle, and let's begin. So because we're working with 4 stitches, you're going to pick up the first 2 stitches in the c4b, pick up 2 stitches onto the cable needle and drop them at the back of your work. Then we're going to proceed to knit the following 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then we need to knit those 2 stitches currently on the cable needle at the back. So we push them carefully to the tip of the cable needle and then you knit them, 1 and 2. And you will see you've got a right leaning cable. I will show you that once more. You're going to knit as knit or pull as indicated in your pattern. Then it's going to say c4b. You pick up 2 stitches, drop them to the back of your work, knit the following 2 stitches, 1, 2. Then we move those stitches on the cable needle to the tip of the cable needle and we knit those, 1 and 2. And that is how you do the c4b. It's a cable using 4 stitches to the back. Let me show you if it's a c4f, which is a cable using 4 stitches to the front. Take your cable needle, pick up 2 stitches and drop them, put them to the front of your work. Then we're going to knit the following 2 stitches. You can use normal knitting tension, 1, 2. Then we need to move these stitches to the tip of your cable needle. Be careful not to drop them off. And then we're going to knit those 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now you will see that the c4f created a left leaning cable. I will show you that once more. You knit or pull as indicated in your pattern. It's going to say c4f, it's cable for front. Pick up the 2 stitches, bring them to the front of your work, knit the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then we need to knit the 2 stitches currently on the cable needle, move them to the front, and then we knit those 2 stitches, 1 and 2. And there is your left leaning cable. And that is how you do a c4f and a c4b knitting stitch.